One of my listeners asked me to talk about the food we make. So we will talk about it today. Make sure to check out my Etsy, and I do teach one-on-one. Make sure to check the description for all my info. So obviously, a lot of you maybe know kebab, falafel, shawarma, hummus. You know all these things. Now, what we make at home is slightly different. We love making stew with like tomato sauce and tomatoes. We make different kinds of stew with lamb meat, like lima bean stew, peas stew, green beans stew, and okra stew, vegetables stew, different kinds, and a rice on the side. We also obviously we make the grape leaves at home. We eat it with yogurt. Some people like to eat it with yogurt, and obviously we make some meat with it, chicken, I believe, and zucchini. Stuffed zucchini is so good. It's really good. Another thing we make frike with chicken, and once it's finished, we add like raisins and nuts on it. Frike is really, really, really good and healthy, very healthy. I get it now from Amazon, and it's super easy. You just boil it, it's done. You add the things and put garlic and chicken, and that's about it. It's so good. You can eat it with salad. Um, we also love eating plain yogurt, Greek yogurt. So we add it like with rice, but we don't eat, obviously, we don't eat stew and yogurt, you know. It's just like if we are making vegetables and rice and chicken, we add yogurt to it. We might eat grape leaves with yogurt. And the other thing we make, I'm Palestinian, we make ma'lube. And ma'lube is so delicious. So we basically make it in a big pot, chicken and rice made with a chicken broth, with like eggplants, carrots, potatoes. People sometimes they change the vegetables they put with it. And once it's done, we like flip it over. It's supposed to on a big tray, so it's supposed to look like a cake. And we eat it with salad or yogurt or just by itself like dry, and it's so good. It's especially like Palestinian. We have other things we make like a stew, but it's not like with tomatoes. It's like mlokhia, we make mlokhia. We make potatoes with chicken and chicken broth, and that's a stew, and then rice on the side. So this is basically an idea about like the food we make. We make a lot of other things, but this is like the main things we make. So I hope this is helpful, and I'll do another episode exactly the same one, but it's gonna be in Arabic. I hope it helps. Make sure you follow me everywhere and on TikTok if you want to see me live. Thanks.